closed the gates, he heard the sound. A hush fell over holy ground. No curse, no fire, no wrath unfurled, just silence from a higher world. Not here, they said, your place was sold. You bartered life and lied for gold. You bound the devil, you mocked the flame. You wear no grace, you hold no name. And so the blacksmith turned once more away from heaven's towering door. No grief, no plea, no final breath, just quiet steps through fields of death. The return to the forge. He walked through lands of ash and ice, through memories steeped in sacrifice, until he reached the place he knew, the forge where fire once fiercely flew. Devil's side, the gates above have still denied, and now you crawl where you began, the mortal boy, the broken man. But John just smiled with soot-stained lips and pressed his hands on iron grips. I did not come to beg or kneel, I came to strike a different deal. I'll give what's left, the blacksmith swore. The soul I hid, the threads I tore. Take all of me, both pride and star. Just light this fire and shape the star. Not quite a sneer. A soul like yours I've learned to fear. But if you dare to wield this spark, then forge, oh ghost, in fire and dark. So back the flames began to rise, like bleeding suns from broken skies. And in that heat he shaped once more